The benefits of intermittent fasting for health. A scientific and practical guide.
Intermittent fasting, has taken the health and wellness world by storm, praised for its potential to promote weight loss, improve metabolic health, and even extend lifespan. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat. This unique approach taps into the body's natural rhythms and evolutionary biology, offering a simple yet powerful tool for improving overall health. But what does science actually say about intermittent fasting? And is it suitable for everyone? This article explores the different types of intermittent fasting, how it works, and the proven and potential health benefits that come with adopting this eating pattern. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is not a diet in the traditional sense, it's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. The most common methods include 16/8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. 5-2 diet. Eat normally 5 days a week and restrict calories, 500 to 600, on 2 non-consecutive days. Eat Stop Eat. Fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. Alternate day fasting. Fast every other day or consume very few calories on fasting days. During fasting periods, you abstain from food but can usually drink water, herbal tea, black coffee, or other non-caloric beverages. How does it work? The science behind intermittent fasting works by harnessing several key physiological processes. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting lowers insulin levels, making it easier for the body to burn fat and reduce risk of type 2 diabetes. Hormonal balance. Increases in human growth hormone, HGH, and norepinephrine support fat breakdown and muscle maintenance. Cellular repair. Fasting triggers autophagy, a process where cells clean out damaged components and regenerate. Gene expression. May positively influence genes related to longevity and disease protection. Top health benefits of intermittent fasting. 1. Supports weight loss and fat burning. One of the most popular reasons people try intermittent fasting is to shed pounds, and it often works. Reduced caloric intake. By narrowing your eating window, you naturally eat less. Boosted metabolism. Short-term fasting increases norepinephrine, enhancing calorie burning. Fat loss. Targets belly fat and visceral fat, which are linked to chronic diseases. Studies suggest intermittent fasting can result in 3 to 8% weight loss over 3 to 24 weeks, especially when combined with a healthy diet. 2. Improves insulin sensitivity and lowers risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is one of the most common chronic diseases worldwide, and has shown promising results in improving blood sugar control. Fasting lowers fasting blood glucose and insulin levels. It improves insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of insulin resistance. A 2014 review found that reduced blood sugar by 3 to 6% and insulin levels by 20 to 31% in people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Note: diabetics should consult a doctor before starting especially if taking insulin. 3. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation plays a role in nearly every major disease, from heart disease to cancer. Fasting appears to have anti-inflammatory effects. It reduces inflammatory markers such as CRP and Illinois-6. It may improve immune system regulation and tissue repair. This can lead to benefits in conditions like arthritis, asthma, and autoimmune disorders. 4. Promotes heart health. Heart disease is the world's leading cause of death, and if positively impacts many cardiovascular risk factors. Reduces blood pressure. Lowers LDL, bad cholesterol and triglycerides. Improves blood sugar control. Some studies also suggest fasting improves heart rate variability, a marker of good heart health and stress resilience. 5. Enhances brain function and mental clarity. Fasting isn't just good for the body, it also benefits the brain. Promotes production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports learning and memory. Protects brain cells through autophagy and reduced oxidative stress. May reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Many people report increased mental clarity and focus during fasting periods. 6. May extend lifespan. Animal studies consistently show that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan. In some cases, rodents lived up to 30% longer when following a fasting regimen. Fasting reduces cellular aging and promotes DNA repair. While human research is still in early stages, the results are promising. 7. Enhances cellular repair and detoxification. Fasting activates autophagy, a crucial detox process where cells break down and recycle damaged components. This helps remove dysfunctional proteins, prevent cancer development, protect against age-related decline. Autophagy is considered a key mechanism in fasting's anti-aging and disease prevention effects. 8. Supports hormonal balance and fertility. Some studies suggest that it may help balance hormones, especially in men, by boosting levels of growth hormone and testosterone. However, women may respond differently, and overly restrictive fasting can disrupt menstrual cycles and fertility. Women interested in it should consider shorter fasting windows or modified approaches. Is intermittent fasting right for everyone? Not necessarily. While it offers many benefits, it may not be suitable for pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with eating disorders, those with certain medical conditions like hypoglycemia or adrenal fatigue, children or teens in active growth stages. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting intermittent fasting, especially if you take medications or have existing health concerns. Tips for getting started safely. Start slow. Begin with a 12-hour fast and gradually work up to 16 hours. Stay hydrated. Drink water, tea, and black coffee to stay hydrated and suppress hunger. Eat nutrient-dense meals. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber. Avoid overeating. Don't binge during eating windows. Listen to your body's hunger cues. Be consistent. Like any lifestyle change, consistency is key to long-term success. Conclusion: a simple, powerful tool for better health. Intermittent fasting is more than a trend, it's a time-tested, research-backed strategy that can enhance both physical and mental well-being. From weight loss to brain health and disease prevention, the benefits of it are wide-reaching and impressive. Best of all, it's flexible, doesn't require expensive supplements, and can be adapted to suit your personal lifestyle and goals. Whether you're looking to improve energy, manage blood sugar, or age more gracefully, intermittent fasting might just be the natural solution your body's been waiting for.